Hey, this is Chuntianle. I have a question for you. Do you have a dream? And what is the result? Try to imagine a blackboard. On the left-hand side is your dream, your thought, your wish, and your hope. On the right-hand side is a result, destination, and reality. Have you got it? If you have not got it, what is the reason? Why? Think about it. What between your dream and your destination? What are the gaps? Is that because you're concerned, your fear, your worry, lack of the skill? What are the reasons? Impediment, risk, procrastination? Why you cannot get it? Or you can think there's a mountain between my dream and my destination. Or you think about there's a river between the hope and the goal. There's a river. What if there's a way to help you to build up the bridge to cross from your dream to your result and your goals? What if there's a roadmap to support you to make the clarity and reach your goal? And what if there's a strategies and support you to realize your dream and make your dream come true? Welcome to join our program. If my message reach you, if my message impact you to take action, if my message speaks to you, don't forget subscribe, like, share, and comment. It will help more people and make the radio and make the video reach more people. Thank you for your support. This is to be continuous. Thank you again. See you next time. Bye bye. Adios.